Today I'm going to be playing some Blitz Brigade, and I'm going to be doing a review for the woodpecker, and it does 77 damage when it's at premium. But if you have your skill points upgraded for this, since I have 18 instead of 77, when I go into a game it will be 102, so that'll be pretty good. So let's just get into a game. Okay, so just gotta let this load. I'm just doing this map because it's a smaller map and this gun doesn't have too great of a distance. I mean, it can shoot probably across this map a little bit. And I used to have 27 gems, but I upgraded this. Oops, I'm gonna re-equip that for medic, but you see now it does 102 damage. There he is. Did he run back over here? Here. There he is. Got him. I saw someone behind here. Yeah, I got him. I got that guy. I got him, but he got me at the same time. Wait, actually, did I get him? Or did he hit respawn? I don't know. Someone just ran behind me. Okay, got him. And he got me. But he died already. I don't see how he got me, but anyway, this is pretty good. That guy hit respawn again too. Sorry if it's a little laggy. With me actually playing it on my screen, it's not too laggy, but my recorder's making it laggy, I think. It normally does that. Yay, that guy got him. Got him. Okay, where is everybody? Okay, I see a name tag. Well, I see some people on the map. Yeah, that guy handled him, so I'm gonna handle this guy. He was just here. Oh, he's behind me. Yeah. Hey, my little buddy got that gun too, except he took my kill. Looks like we won our first round. I'm going to be doing 2 rounds for you guys. So you're 6-2, and that seems pretty well. I don't know why it says that, because I have a skill point. It just glitches like that for me all the time. Excuse me. I got you. Wait, I see him. Wow. Thank goodness. Yay, instant heal. That was a nice little triple kill. It's about time that I died. But if you're upgrading a soldier gun, I just gotta show you something. I accidentally wasted 30 gems and upgraded the twin punch premium. Do not get that. That thing is horrible. The woodpecker is better and it's cheaper. It's 20 gems. I saw you. Wait, is that a guy or my teammate? Who knows? Oh, got him. And there's a guy up here. Got him. Just keep them coming, people. Oh my goodness, he's got the same gun as me. Got him. He didn't see me, so I got him. Oh no, that's close. I got him. Oh my. Okay, I'm out of bullets. Run back to base. Run! Run! As fast as my little legs can carry me. Oh my, that was close. Did I kill him? Nope. Yeah, that gun's a good gun. I'm saving up for it, and I accidentally bought it once, but then it glitched and deleted it, but it gave me back my money. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Wow. This guy is killing me. I don't want no popper. I want to kill that guy. Revenge. Yep, it said payback. Champion killer. Assisted kill. I knew it. I saw that dot on the screen. So, yes. At least that guy killed him for me. Good job, little guy. Woohoo, we won! And got some more XP. I'm on level 71 now. And we were 11-4. And that's pretty good. And that's still glitched. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and goodbye.